Now let's look at how to find the area of a parallelogram. To find the area of a parallelogram, we take the base times the height. Now this is a little bit trickier because the height is not one of the sides. The height is the distance straight up and down between the two bases. It makes a right angle with the base. So the segment that I highlighted in yellow, 11 feet, is the height. I know that because it goes straight up and down, and where it meets the 8 feet bottom, that's a right angle. We're going to multiply the base and the height to find our area. So the area equals base times height. My base is 8 times my height is 11. So 8 feet times 11 feet is 88. And remember, it's area, so that's square feet, or we can also write it as feet squared. Let's try another parallelogram problem. In the last one, you'll notice we only had 2 measurements, so it was a bit easier to determine which ones were the base and the height. In this parallelogram, I have 3 measurements. Across the bottom is 10, the right side is 7 feet, and in the middle it says 4 feet. The area just needs the base times the height. I need to find the 2 that meet to make a right angle. I notice that the 4 is measured straight up and down. That means the 4 is my height. The one it connects to is the base. For my area, I will take base times height. My base is 10 feet times my height is 4 feet. So base times height is 40 feet squared. Now in this problem, we do have enough information to figure out the perimeter. Remember, the perimeter is the distance around the outside. So if I trace around the outside, that would be what I'm measuring for the perimeter. In a parallelogram, the top and bottom are the same. So the bottom is 10 feet, means the top is 10 feet. The right side is 7 feet, the left side is 7 feet. Notice that the ones in yellow do not include the 4. So when I'm finding the perimeter of a parallelogram, I do not include the height. I add up the 4 outsides. So 10 plus 7 plus 10 plus 7. That gives you a perimeter of 34 feet.